practice reading for beginners.
Digraphs and sentences.
Consonant digraphs, two letters that make a single sound.
TH.
Bath, bath, bath. Laugh, laugh, laugh. Math, math, math. Bath, bath, bath. Moth, moth, moth. Myth, myth, myth. Pith, pith, pith. Can you read? Bath. This kid will get a bath. This kid will get a bath. This kid will get a bath. Bath. This path is not far. This path is not far. This path is not far. Myth. Will you tell a myth? Will you tell a myth? Will you tell a myth? Moth. The moth did fly on this spot. The moth did fly on this spot. The moth did fly on this spot.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCAD Tutorial Services.